imagine. Now waiting the happen for East with that. For inside this place, I go buy land for 10 million. Am I mad? But how will development come? Development will not come now. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. You can't talk, say that we go come, which other tribe will come buy land? Say they won't build their house.
This life is balanced. Now you know stand well. Some people are already standing on illegal mandates. And that is why in order to protect the mandate, they are lying up and down. If you want to stand well, stand on the side of the truth. If there's going to be a war between truth and lie, truth must win. Truth is a sure bet. MUST must win. It's sure. If you check this comment here, that was the early beginning of last month, November. This guy emphatically was saying he do business with a lot of Igbos that he knows. He didn't say he's not sure, he's not assuming. He knows that Igbo don't sell land to people, to strangers. And I was telling him that I had someone who is from Ondo, who schooled in Enugu. He's my mate. Even if I ask him money for this December, the guy go send me. He married an Igbo girl, has land in Enugu, has land in Asaba, because he grew up in Wari. He said, nah, lie, I should send him a proof if Igbo they sell land. The video you just watched, and I'll be playing it here, just prove it that Igbo sell land, but you don't get money. That is the truth. Now you are just trying to, because you want to lie, you want to go around and say that they don't sell land now. See, the land I want to buy is 2 million. Because they know say I be Yoruba, they increase it to 10 million. Brother, is a lie. Go and get 10 million to pay for the land. Let them tell you, you have the money, we will not sell because you're Yoruba. Then it will be a proof that they don't sell land at all. It will be a proof. You want to cook up lie, but you are roping yourself into it because you don't know that the more you want to lie, the more you put yourself into slavery. Truth set you free. Lie put you into cage. You just rope yourself into the lie. I wanted to buy land. Land are not the same price anywhere. Lands are cheap in the north. The same size of land are expensive in the south. In fact, the land we buy 7 million in Benin, you might actually buy 80-something million in Lagos. And the same land you will buy 10 million in Enugu, you might actually buy it 20-something million in Abuja here. That is the truth. It doesn't matter whether it's inside bush or no development. But for you to be claiming, because I be this, is a lie. Get 10 million to prove us wrong. That I have the money now, but they say they don't go sell because I be Yoruba. First of all, Igbo don't sell land. Now Igbo they sell them expensive. They won't use price pursue you. I was in school here in Zaria. I pay higher than people in the same school with me. Did I complain? Anybody who schooled in Zaria know what I'm talking about. Yes, I don't know about now, but I'm talking about then. Indigenous pay lesser than us. Even the jam score, the North has lesser cutoff mark than us. So will the price be the same thing in everywhere? They suddenly increase them because they know say Yoruba. But you want to lie, but now you are roping yourself into the lie. Igbo unification is sure, and we will not condone lies again. I told you people I'm here to open the canker worms. All the lies that have been lied to us for years, whether it's religious, politically, or tribalistic, I'm here to expose them. Yes, so my people, we have been able to squash this lie. 2023 was trending left and right. Igbo people know they sell land. Igbo people know they sell land. Now lie, they know they sell land, give stranger. I am now an ambassador of the DWAY City Estate. It was this video that I made in 2023 that made the owner of this estate from Olo decided to make me an ambassador. And since then, I've been looking for strangers, those who call themselves that Igbo don't sell land to come and buy land in Igbo land. I don't see anybody. This is now 2 years running. But thank God we have been able to squash this lie that Igbo people sell land to strangers. Now you know get money. Let us be sincere here, including some of my people from this Anyoman's house then was on my TikTok page in 2023 saying a lie. Southeast no they sell and give people. Now we get a lot of land in Owerri, in Nkwere, in Anambra State, DWAY City. We get in Enugu, we get in Abia. Come and buy land, Oga. We get in Port Harcourt. Come and buy land. We get in Anyoma today. Yes, we get in Anyoma today. We get land. Come and buy. No, but every time you go, they believe lie. That video I posted that time, the land, they told the guy said the land was 10 million. Get 10 million. Let there be that, oh, I have the money, but they no agree sell give me. Because they say I'm a stranger. When I go just they lie up and down everywhere. But like I told you, for 10 good years, I'll be here. Abumonyo Nchubo, Nema Anyocha, not local government of Delta State. Afambo Chukwemeka Kogolo. I'll be here to counter all the lies and propaganda meted against Ndigbo. I'm an Igbo-centric man. I'm out of here, Joe.